Your closet is sitting on a gold mine. Did you know your old clothes could be your next big side hustle? Let's turn your wardrobe into a money-making machine. Not all selling platforms are the same. Choose the one that matches your style and your clothes. Start with the platform that fits your vibe. Got trendy casual wear? Poshmark's your stage. Want global reach? eBay's the way. Selling designer items? The RealReal handles everything for you. Got vintage or unique styles? Depop and Mercury are your best bet. The right platform equals faster sales and better prices. First impressions matter. Make your clothes shine online. Before you snap photos, make sure your clothes look fresh. Remove stains, repair any damage, steam or iron. The cleaner and crisper your items look, the higher the price you can ask. Photos sell your product. Make them count. Use natural lighting and a plain background. Capture front, back, tags, and close-ups. Even better, style it or model it to help buyers picture themselves in it. Buyers scroll fast. Your photos have to stand out. Great listings equal faster sales. Don't just say blue dress. Paint a picture. Try. This flowy sky blue maxi dress is perfect for Easter brunch or beach getaways. Include size, brand, fabric, fit, and any styling tips. Write like you're recommending it to a best friend. Don't guess, price it right. Check similar listings. Factor in brand, condition, and season. Aim for a fair price, but leave room to negotiate. Use platform tools like smart pricing to stay competitive. Packaging is part of the experience. Use clean, sturdy packaging. Add tissue paper for a luxury touch. Always include tracking and double-check the address. Include a thank you note for 5-star vibes. 5-star seller equals more sales. Reply fast, be polite, and go the extra mile. Ask for reviews after every sale. One happy buyer can lead to many more. Your reputation is your best marketing tool. You're ready to sell. Time to declutter, upload, and profit. Now you know the secrets, don't wait. Your closet isn't clutter. It's a business opportunity.